Hey, what's up, family? Built on the budget, back to you again with another video, with another update on the 88 Chevrolet short bed step side LS swap. But before we get into that swap,
Drop that intro.
built on the budget, drop that intro.
Built on the bed. Built on the budget. Drop that intro.
Now that was entertaining, wasn't it? Yeah, that was my boy. It's me, Bryant. Good friend of mine. I'm gonna get with him one day and show off one of his projects that he got, that he built, that he using his creativity on to fix up, and he's real proud of it. And you know, that's what Built on the Budget do, man. We'll shoot whatever it is you got. You like it, we love it. I mean, we'll put you on. But Bryant up at Town and Country Garage, he always been there to help me do different things on my project. Sometimes it's tools or something that I might need. Hey, if you doing this type of work, man, and you don't have aces in the hole, hey, you in bad shape, man. But we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you a little bit about what I'm doing today. Today is about what you see on the ground. They is the C-notch for my Chevy pickup truck, LS swap. And as you see, they homemade, but they look good, don't they? I mean, all you need is a pattern to go by, and they look pretty much like the ones you can buy off of eBay. And what I done was, I got some 1/4-inch metal, and I cut it and put it together, man. And that's what I got. But I'm gonna show y'all where it goes. As you can see up under there, where I got it marked out, it's gonna go up in there, and hopefully it's gonna solve my problem, cause this baby's sitting low. How low can you go? I don't know, but we're gonna see. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this frame cut out and get one side put in, and then I'll get back with you. All right, we are back again. Let me show you the progress that I made since the last time. You see it? That's not too bad, is it? Give me a lot of travel room now. I just got to replace a couple of more, put a couple of more bolts in. One here and one here. I got to go to the hardware store and get some hardened bolts and put them in, and then I'll be ready to move to the other side. But that gives me a lot of room over here where it's not bottoming out. So that's a good thing. And I get that and I get back with you. It's my little work area. This is what you call the grind, man. Hey, ain't no shops out here, ain't no lifts, ain't no special tools. All it is determination and some skills. Them hands, I should put these hands in the Smithsonian because they are deadly. this hands here. Hey man, I'm just tripping. That's what I do, shooting these videos, man. I enjoy having fun. I enjoy bringing this content to you. Again, I say like, subscribe, share this video, and you know, cause there's gonna be many more to come. Hit that notification bell, and go back to the first video that I done, from long wheelbase to short wheelbase. That's the beginning. Maybe I need to start posting some pictures of where I first started for those that's new on the channel that haven't went back to look. I mean, this thing here done come a long way. I mean, that's a lot of work there, man. From the beginning to the end. And yeah, I'ma do it. Being that you asked for it, I'ma do it. Let me see here. I told y'all we're gonna do it. That 5.3 sound good, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, family. This is Built on the Budget. We back to close this video out. You know, on yesterday, I finished the seed notch, put all the hardened bolts in, and this is what we have. Think it looked pretty good. I still think that I'm gonna put I got some 2-inch drop shackles to go in the back. I would love to get this thing down about right here on that wheel. Maybe about 1 inch more. I think it'll look real good. But it looks all right now. But you know, I still think I wanna bring that thing down just a little bit more in the back. I don't know. Put down in the comments and you tell me. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's up for grabs. But my sticker coming. OBS short bed game is on the way. The OBS short bed game has migrated to this part of North Carolina. It's moving north from the south. OBS short bed game sticker will be in sometime next week. Got a confirmation that it's on the way, and looking forward to getting it. So listen, I'm gonna chill out the rest of the day. It's Friday, it's starting to rain. It's a little bit cold out here. I think I might just clean up, put me on some khakis or something, some jeans or something, and just kind of chill out today. So listen, till the next video, this is Built on the Budget, saying that appreciate you. You got this, like this channel, subscribe to it, hit the notification bell, share it with other people, and when you share it, make sure they got an account where they can sign up, where they can subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Come on now. Let's get this channel, the numbers picked up on it. I know I'm putting out some real good content, and I know I'm dropping it, and I'm dropping it like it's hot. Let's get these numbers up. You know, you feel like it, hit the subscription button. If you don't, just keep watching, because I'm going to keep dropping. Built on the Budget. Until the next time, peace.